I'm going to show you how much money I made here on YouTube in the month of May with my small 6,000 subscriber channel, and how much money that translated to in my online store. By the end of the video, you'll learn how I did it, what I learned this month, and what worked and what didn't work. My name is Janet, the ex-Disney artist turned independent creator making art and entrepreneurship videos here on YouTube. If you want more videos like this, make sure to like and jingle all my bells and buttons for new videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Fridays. So let me bring you behind the scenes into my YouTube analytics and show you how much money I made. So in the month of May, you can see I got 19.6K views, 1.2K hours of watch time. I grew 230 subscribers, and I made $59.11. This is all pretty standard for me. The reason why I made a little bit less ad revenue compared to last month is, for the most part, I made mostly art videos this month, so the CPM is going to be lower, and in general, the CPM has been dipping a lot because of quarantine anyways, so less money. So now let me bring you into my Shopify Analytics and show you how much money I made on Shopify. So here you can see that I made $799.90 on Shopify this month. And this is down pretty drastically from last month, but it's mostly because I was pretty burnt out this month and I didn't put out a lot of new artwork and products to sell on the store. Hot tip for people who want to start an online store to go along with their YouTube channel and to help monetize their YouTube channel. If you're doing something like an art YouTube channel like me or a product-based store, it's recommended you update the store every 2 weeks with some new products. Since I am prioritizing YouTube and a lot of other things all at once, sometimes I have to make a decision between making content and preparing for the future and bigger project, or updating the store and making money. So that's something to consider if you want to do something like me. As you can see, I also had 2,838 online store sessions. That is down 47%. Another reason why I had less orders. Less visitors to your store usually means less purchases. Most of my customers are return customers, which is great. I had 8 orders over the month of May. It's down about 67%. Average order value, $99.99. That's pretty good in my opinion. My online store conversion rate is 0.28%, which is down. And I am looking into optimizing my online store in the near future, but until then, this is kind of what typically happens when you start an online store. Your conversion rate isn't so good, but the point is to help diversify your income. We're not all masters of SEO right from the beginning of this whole process. I don't know about you guys, but I'm pretty addicted to watching income report videos here on YouTube. Comment down below if you're actually just as addicted to watching these kinds of videos as I am. So let me bring you back into my YouTube analytics and show you a little bit more information on my top performing videos. So as you can see here, my top videos in this period was my Why I Quit My Job at Disney video, as always, with 8,700 views. But a notable video is the How to Get Monetized Fast on YouTube 2020 video. It got 1,899 views. So this video is currently taking off for me right now because it has been ranked in search ever since the day I put it out. And there's no reason for it to stop getting views, since every time people search how to get monetized on YouTube, my video pops up. The third top viewed video is the Why She Quit Her Job at Disney, the podcast, 1,300 views. How much I make as a small YouTuber, with 693 views. The fifth top performing video is the Animal Crossing custom vans video with 654 views. Another notable top performing video is actually the best online courses for artists and creatives video. It is also currently ranked in search, and even though it was posted back in April 30th, it got 600 views in the month of May. So if you've been on my channel before and you've watched some of these income report videos, you will know that my top performing videos are not exactly the same as my top earning videos. So let me share my screen with you and show you what are my top performing videos in terms of revenue. So number 1 is actually the How to Get Monetized on YouTube with $12.40, and it has $13.94 CPM. That's pretty good for the amount of views that I got, especially since I know the amount of views that I'm going to be getting on that video will always be coming in because of my search ranking. Then it's the why I quit my job at Disney, and that actually has a pretty low CPM at this point, $4.98. Again, all these CPMs tend to be lower than they used to be pre-quarantine. The Disney video would have normally made me more money previously, but now it's slowly dropping, which that's fine. I don't necessarily want to make more content like that on my channel, even though it went viral, so that's fine. It'll continue making me about $10 every single month. The how much money I make as an artist, that didn't even show up in my top 10 performing videos in terms of views, but it ended up making me $3.89. I believe this video is also ranked in search. I will continually be getting views, but not too many, as you can see. 244 views, but the CPM is $29.07. It's a super high CPM. Even if this video only gets a few views every single month, it's still making me $3 while I sleep. Then it's the best online courses for artists and creatives, $3.82 with $13.80 CPM. Again, not bad. And then it's the how to manage a business as a couple podcast, $3.14 with only 314 monetized views at $17.66. Not bad CPM. The how much I make on YouTube as a small YouTuber, $2.91 with $19.25 CPM. As you can see, most of my top earning videos are finance, business related, but those videos also tend to be getting the most views on my channel. I want to mention CPM for video topics that are kind of random that I like to test on my podcast and other random videos that I like to do. The My Hero Academia podcast got $4.73 CPM. That is really low. So if any of you guys are into doing anime type videos, watch out, your CPM is going to be pretty low. Other CPM that is kind of low, the custom Vans, custom shoe videos that I've been doing, they are, I guess, in the fashion niche. And so the custom Animal Crossing Vans shoe got $5 CPM. The custom Vans Todoroki shoe got $8 CPM. The custom Air Jordans of Michael Jordan, it got $13 CPM. So occasionally it'll be higher and lower, but for the most part it gets anywhere between $10 to $8 CPM, which is not bad. So if you guys want to be getting into the custom shoe fashion niche, that's pretty good CPM in my opinion. Not the highest, but still pretty good. If you are familiar with this channel, I have been testing a lot. I've been doing a lot of, in a way, random kind of content here on my channel because I want to see what sticks, just throw everything at the wall and not be afraid to fail. I picked art, business, and a bunch of other random niches to focus on at first because that is my expertise. I started taking this channel seriously back in February, so I have about 4 months of experience doing this, and I think 4 months is a pretty good amount of time to test. And from what I've seen, especially from these top performing videos in terms of views, which I think is better to look at rather than to look at monetary gains. You're serving your audience, so you want to do things that your audience wants to see. Of the top performing videos, most of them, other than my viral video, are more business oriented, specifically for the artist, so art entrepreneurship, which is what this channel is all about. Since the how to get monetized fast on YouTube and how much I make on YouTube as a small subscriber, best online courses, the kind of more business self-help type videos are really popular here on my channel. I think I will be doing more of that. But that doesn't discount the custom Animal Crossing Vans shoe video and more artsy type videos like that, as well as the podcast. It seems like people really like the podcast. And since I am both artist and entrepreneur and teaching you guys the things that are working for me that you might be able to use on your own channels as I learn how to do them, I want to continue making these YouTube strategy videos as well as more arts videos to funnel people into my online store store and to help support the channel. I want to use my art videos as a way to show people how my online store works, how to monetize your YouTube channel using something like an online store. I want to use my art videos to show people how you can use the things that you are passionate about to help monetize your channel beyond just relying on AdSense. But I also want to show people how I am learning how to use YouTube to do that. How making YouTube videos, how to rank, and how to leverage YouTube to help you make money with your art, with your online business, with your online store, or whatever it is that you want to use YouTube for. If you want to help support this channel, head over to honeyandabsinthe.com. We have merch. I am currently wearing the run shirt that I designed myself. If you pick up a shirt, a print, artwork, whatever it is, it helps support this channel. If you like the video, make sure to like the video, jingle my bells and buttons for more art and entrepreneurship videos like this, and don't forget to dare to dream.